Hello, I'm Professor Tony Haymet, Australia's Chief Scientist. Across Australia this week, events are taking place that together make up the biggest festival of science in our nation. National Science Week is a chance to learn how science is changing the way we live, how it's shaped our nation, and where it can take us in the future. It's also an opportunity to think about the role of science in our lives. Whether it's at a school science fair, a national park, or a museum, I encourage you to explore how science is being celebrated in your local area. And if you can't get to an event in person, go online. There are online events and virtual tours of some of the discovery centres, museums, and sanctuaries that showcase science and tech in Australia. Visit the National Science Week website to see what's happening near you.